Okay guys, this is another small video, so you may learn a little bit about roundabout, but we are following the sign Blackburn. Again, this is part of your test route. So the sign on your left coming up for the Blackburn and Shadwell. So we're checking our center in the left mirror, signal to the left. Now because you're crossing over the cycle lane, before you cross over, check your left mirror again for any cyclists and go to the left. Now it says give way and the traffic light is red. Because traffic light is red, your car is coming from the immediate right. So quick look, anyone coming? If nobody's coming, you turn into the left lane. But look at the signboard on the left. It's telling you Blackburn is straight ahead, second exit. You have got the arrows painted on the road as well. So in this lane, 2 arrows, slow approach, glance to the right and look ahead as well. Once you pass the first exit, you check your mirrors and signal to the left. And keep going straight. So again, for the Blackburn, we're going straight. So we've got an ambulance coming behind us, so we can just slow down a little bit. We're gonna let the ambulance go past us because you can, and it's gonna go past us from the right now. And now we are going straight ahead. There's no signboard, but we know Blackburn is a straight ahead. You can see the arrows in our lane, 2 arrows. So slow approach. You can glance to the right and ahead. If nobody's coming, then think about doing the lane discipline. Then you go near to that curb in the middle there where the island is. Once you pass the island, then you check your center in the left mirror and then you signal and keep following the left curb again, please, for me. That is how you do your lane discipline. And again, if you look ahead, there's a sign on the left. Is completely misleading. You are going straight ahead, second exit. So we slow approach again. Your speed should be 20 or less. You can see the arrows in this lane there. So we are going straight ahead, second exit. We position ourselves more to the left. If nobody coming from the right, then again we go near to the left island. So follow the left curb as close as you can. Now check your center in the left mirror, signal to the left and build up a speed again gradually and keep following the left curb, please. It's pretty easy if you know what you're doing. It's all about doing forward planning, guys. So we're going to keep going. Again, we're going towards Blackburn. Again, you can see there's a signboard coming up, but this signboard is telling you we're going straight ahead, first exit, because there is no left sign there. So again, you always approach slowly. Your speed should be 20 miles or less. Glance to the right and ahead early. Think about positioning. If nobody is coming, then you can carry on following the curb, left curb, and then you check your center in the left mirror and you signal to the left again. So your signal will help the oncoming traffic on the other side. Now this road is 30 miles per hour road. There's a sign on your left coming up. So make sure once you pass the roundabouts, you check your mirrors and try to make progress. Go to the 28 or 29 is very, very important if the road is clear. I hope this video helped you as well. Thank you.